thing's paved.
So it's awesome. Kind of hard with all the snow, but awesome.
Alright, which hike would you rather do, this or Crater Lake?
Oh, I don't know. We haven't seen this one yet.
Sure.
But that's pretty freaking pretty. So this dude's got the best view for his lunch. Awesome, guys. If you have never been to Glacier National Park, you have to come check this out.
Best?
Crazy. The best national park that I think we both ever been to.
Agreed.
I mean, yeah.
Speaks for itself. He's gonna hurt himself.
So after almost wiping out, we decided it was time to just take a car ride. So we went back down, got Millie and Ace, and hit Going to the Sun Road. What do you see over there, Nug?
Guys, so we're in Glacier National Park. Fun fact, I think this is our new favorite national park because it's so beautiful and there's just literally water running everywhere.
What is up, guys? So just an update, we're back at the campsite, chilling, relaxing. First time we ran the generator and it is running perfectly. Check it out. Alright, anyways.
We were playing more, but that's way too boring, so we're gonna play Speed. Chad and I are probably some of the most competitive people in the entire world, so this gets a little serious. But we'll see who wins. May the best man win.
Yeah, man.
I'm eyeing you back there.
That's me.
Cameraman.
What are the odds of that? We got a 5 and a 6.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
7, queen.
You're gonna win. Oh, 2, 3. Boom! Speed! Ooh.
That's 2 out of 3.
Okay. This is like Land Between the Lakes on steroids.